Hello and welcome back to Diorama Gallery. So today I represent you a 1/350 scale Russian warship diorama on the ocean with the mountain nearby. So this one is very unique diorama because of the fir forest. They are 3D printed product that is designed by Diorama Galleries. So the 350 scale diorama captures a dramatic moment as a Russian warship sails close to a rocky island covered with multi-ton 3D printed fir trees. The scene features dynamic ocean waves with realistic white breast, creating a vivid sense of movement and tension on the open sea. It is perfect for naval motor collector, display enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates finely crafted maritime scenery. Thank you so much for your support.